Hi Libras, welcome to your February 2022 reading and sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLSSA Shells Running. May or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. My email is in the description box below if you want to have the personal reading, all that stuff, okay? Your first card that came through is Seven of Swords energy. And I heard like you're going to figure out or fight for the truth. It's like you're going to remove all that was a cover-up. The true intentions behind a certain person. True intention regarding what was underlying. It's like layers are going to be out and about. Someone who took you for granted, you're going to express that you are taking me for granted. There's this Libra energy who is speaking. Usually they try to balance out stuff. They keep stuff inside as well for a bit. And it does depend upon other signs in their natal chart as well. And I just read the energy. Okay, if you don't want to check, don't check. If you want to check, check whatever you want to do. But here Seven of Swords energy is saying that this is something very prominent that you're going to unfold, unleash. You're going to figure out, you're going to know. There is someone who might be lying to you. There is something that you might be believing which might not be exactly the truth about someone, okay? You're going to figure out, oh my God, this person is not that. Or this energy is not that. Or they lied to me, okay? There's going to be lie or let's just say truth that will be unleashed. And you're going to be working on that. You're going to be figuring out what this person is doing, how they're behaving, how they're reacting. This certain relationship. And as an individual even, you're going to remove those layers that you've been feeling buried under, buried. So all those layers will come off. This may be of the face, the people who have masked duality in something. This is going to be done here, okay? You also, this may be about something that you've been believing for a long time, maybe believing some principles or norms or something that you've been following, something that you felt as an order, and you know this is a break of order. There's something that lie is there under the law or some rule kind of, that's specific word should be, something that you've been believing for a long time will break. This may even be Ace of Cups, love. You're going to know truth about this. This may be some feelings connected, like truth about feelings, or maybe you're going to figure out, maybe this can go vice versa, like a person is also feeling something and they've been lying about that, deception, wearing mask, like that energy. Hierophant may be Taurus here, okay? But it's like someone who might be creating that confusion around you. You're going to figure out, and for some of you, this is about the one who is cheating in the relationship. Someone who is taking you for granted here. Librans are on for actually using their own scales now. They've been keeping things inside for a long time. They've been possible following something that feels like a circus. And you know those are banned. They've been stopped. Okay? That the process may be still on at some places, but I don't have full information, but I know that something that's not right is being banned, is being stopped. You can't perform. You can't do that stuff. You can't do that lie, and you cannot keep me in cover-up situation here. That's what this is about. Figuring out about. Like you can't keep me at cross. Some Librans been feeling that energy with a Leo possible, or a Taurus here possible. You're going to overcome and you're going to be victorious about certain matter. Like some things that you've been following, the way it's been told, you're going to break free from that. So Feb is going to be a month of clarifying your own self. Certain matters regarding love, relationships within family or work matters, and what people are saying, what they are doing or what they're up to. Look, the world. Something is going to be hard to complete, to stop, but you're going to do that. With the world does come Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, or Aquarius here. Or maybe this is about connected with, again, people energies, relationship matters. Six of Cups energy. This is also something that is there in your life, or it does come on and off, or it is there for a long time kind of energy, or resurges. And it may be here. Something that was closed, or something that was like rest in peace situation, is again turning up with a lie. This has come something, okay. So they're giving me the energy of like you're going to use a lie detector. Exactly, you know the truth. Some of you have proof. You're going to put that this is the reason that I closed the chapter. But something is difficult here to close fully. You're going to do it, but then again, this is something that is getting delayed, okay? To figure out about this person is getting delayed. Or maybe this was the time frame when it got delayed. This got delayed here. Like time passed by and by and by, and now you're finally doing something, or finally taking step for this particular situation of resurgence. Like finally I'm drawing the line. Finally I know the truth. What your feelings are kind of. Someone in your world, in your life, is lying to you about certain connection. They might have told you that I'm not talking to them. Or something is a lie about their life that yet you're not aware. But that's what I told you that you're going to figure out. And I also get the energy of like maybe they'll express that it is hard for me to carry on my life or world without you. I lied to you that, I lied to you. Can you see the cards? Can you see the cards now? Here. It is about home. It is about connection. It is about 1111. Someone over here does want to work out. They don't want to close this chapter with you. Look. Three of Pentacles. This may be even work situation, but I see like this is about they can't bear that this will not work. They don't want to. They don't want to close this chapter. Or they don't want you to close the chapter. They may not want you to leave the place where you are working with them or you are living with them. Three of Pentacles is the energy of like let's make amends kind of. What's coming in for Libra for future? In the month of Feb. Someone is in denial here of having this U-turn or reunion or union. Someone is not getting convinced of meeting someone, or is not happy going somewhere, or someone is also coming out of confusions. Someone, this may be you are friends with someone, you've been working with them. This is something you can do out of sympathy. I mean, you lost the sympathy even for the person. Maybe you've been working with. Someone been causing that turmoil of confusion regarding even emotions and lying and, covering that up. This is something that you need to break free from. The Devil. Maybe this is Capricorn. Something that is unhealthy here. Within connection, within friendship. Because you have even friends here. This is like, I see like you're leaving certain group here or losing certain friend here. Or you lost certain friend because they lied to you. They've been covering. So this is like someone who is deceiving you. And they may have thought like I can cover that up. But you figured that out. If it is even work, maybe you people are working in partnerships, like kind of energy, even love partnerships and partnerships. It's like meeting is delayed, or you are just not reciprocating, like you're not answering that I want to meet. I mean, kind of that energy. Some of your journeys will be delayed in order to meet the one or meet your friend, okay? I heard like someone ruined something, ruined some connection or something. Queen of Pentacles, this may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or Capricorn from Devil. This is also your energy of holding in for a very long time as a mother or a father, or the male or female vibe, however this fits you, even if you're not mother or father. This is someone who is very keeping certain secret of someone, or you are figuring out secret that someone is keeping from you. Maybe you figured whatever you figured out and you disconnected from certain energy in the past, recent or distant, and now you are denying something here because you want to leave that place of work or situation, but you have some things to handle here. Again, maybe in the relationship, so something is getting delayed here to close something proper, because this may include some legal things as well, or partnership things here with the Three of Pentacles. In the future, you may hear from this person again in order to make amends or something like that. Okay? But I feel someone who is connected with you, this may again be connected with you, with your life, with your family, maybe children, anyone. This person is also lying to you about something regarding their work or approval, okay? Or money. 10 of Cups energy. This may be someone from your family. Now, this may be a child, male energy or female energy. For some, this is female. 10 of Cups energy in the future. I feel like you're going to amend something, whatever that is, connected with your family love. Because this is what I see, your selfless love. Like, you're not self-centered at all. You people are not even selfish at times. Like, self-centered is just about self. That you're not. Selfish is sometimes thinking about yourself, but also in that frame, you sometimes drop that idea in order to just make something work. Just that this should work. So very hardworking. You're very, very dedicated in whatever you fix your energy. Here I see your family. Here I see your connection. That is so important to you. Like, for the sake, you do a lot of stuff. Libra. What a sneak. Yes. 2 of Wands energy. You are, okay, I heard you're dialing certain number, but also this 2 of Wands energy is like planning something that you're going to choose, but also planning preparation that is going to happen in the future. This may be regarding your travel or something. This is like for the sake of, like, kind of energy, something to make work or something. You're going to drop certain idea or you're just going to have the delay of something here, possible to your travel, something that you're canceling, or something is getting postponed just for something to make it work. 2 of Wands energy is like something that you're going to decide a little late. So this makes it up to, like, maybe if we give you time frame just in the month of Feb, then this may be like not happening in first 2 weeks, but after 2 weeks, like after mid, you may decide on something, okay, on the travel plans or something. Let's see what's in romance. Romantic life. Okay. Libra. Someone is looking forward to meet you, or you are. But I just first heard for someone is looking, okay? You love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. You have certain priority here, that's for sure. And you are delaying this meeting, okay? Because maybe of the lies and the cheats and the truth that you are having the clarity or having clarity on, you are respecting yourself, self-respect. Okay, I talked about that, about being a little bit selfish at times, because you're not doing that, okay? You just drop yourself in something so much that you forget yourself and your aspirations or your choices here. For the sake of family, for sake of children, for sake of your own family members, even if you're not married, you're single, you always put some priorities, like, you know, and you forget yourself. And that's what I think, like, you're even skipping that beat of not meeting the one. Someone is looking forward to me too. Oh my god. So I'm going to take just this card. And this card. Oh my god. I'm taking all cards. Okay. So here, spirits are trying to tell you that you deserve love. You should make up your mind. For the first time, or maybe for the first time in a long time, in this time frame, you are supposed to take care of yourself. Focus on what you want. You've been not doing that. Unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Maybe you are investing your energy to something or a liar here that you have figured out. You should drop that idea. Like, yes, it is difficult, but you're doing it. Even if someone stops you just because they want, it's like their need. They are very, very self-centered. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Calling in your soulmate. Maybe this is someone who's specific calling you their soulmate and you don't feel that way. That's why it's coming. Love yourself first. Someone who's not respecting you or never respected you. Now here, your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Maybe you've been doing and investing in dealing certain matters, regardless of having not enough attraction here or not that reciprocation, that you don't feel that way, kind of. In simple words, I can explain you. But you're there because they've been calling you. Oh my god, you're my soulmate. Because you feel like, oh, once upon a time I felt that kind of energy. I feel in your future there's going to be something totally different, which is about make the effort. There may be with the Two of Wands choice, even between two energies. The one who give you attention, the one who's not. The thing that you cannot do out of sympathy, the thing that is worth. Okay? Heart-to-heart conversation. Someone gonna make your effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. So if there is someone, just look for that. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Maybe in specific, you are calling in your soulmate. And the true one will patch up and catch up with you. Maybe there's this world, there's distance with this person, connection. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.